Hi everyone, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss what is the syllabus for class 11th in session 2020-21 in information practices, and then we are going to see to create program using Blockly, right? I will be sharing you a link. You have to log on and create an account there, and then we will start. Okay, so now this is your syllabus for the year information practices. There is prerequisite none, that means you don't have to have any previous long knowledge about programming language or anything else. And then you are going to learn at the end of the session these few topics, and these are what is what are the components of the computer systems, and then we will be learning some different data type of programming language called Python up to dictionaries, and then we will see what is NumPy. NumPy is a numerical Python, and it is really very easy to work with NumPy. And when I will teach you NumPy, you will feel the power, and it is really very simple as compared to other programming languages. That's why Python is so popular in data sciences, and this is really very new field and very new and newly emerging field. And basically now we have very less number of eligible candidates to handle this job vacancies. You will be the first generation who is going to acquire this knowledge and will be suitable for data analysis job. So I think this is the great time to join IP. I'm hopeful that one day you are going to become a very successful programmer. Now the next thing is relational database management system. No program can be successful without a database. Basically, database is used to store your data. This is your warehouse where you store all your data, and you can pull out every data whenever it is required on time very efficiently. Okay, the next unit is retrieving and manipulating data in relational database management system using SQL or SQL. So basically this is a tool which can retrieve data from your databases. You have learned in class 10th in Access, I think. And then finally we are going to see what are emerging trends in information technologies. That is basically, I have told you, e-commerce and biotechnology, you can say that, and data mining, artificial intelligence, cyber securities, what is cloud computing, web 2.0, social media, what means. We have many things going on, so we are going to discuss these. Now let us come to the more important part, that is your topics, what you are going to be learning in this year. And the first is introduction to computer system. Here you are going to see what is the basic structure of computer: CPU, ALU, input, output, printing devices, operating system, application softwares, etc. And basically you have learned in previous classes, so we are not going to discuss them in a greater detail. And then the next unit from where we are going to start off is introduction to Python. So basically here you are going to see what Python is, how to install it in your system, what are the data types, what are the tokens in Python, and data types, working with IDEs, integrated development environments. And it is of 25 marks and 35 periods for practical and theory, so equal number of periods. Now the next is data handling using Python. This is also a very good unit, and in MCT1 we will be having these two units if possible, or otherwise we will be concluding our syllabus for MCT1 to this particular chapter, introduction to Python. In the second unit we are going to see how to handle NumPy, how to import this NumPy package, and how to use NumPy array. So basically this is a very interesting chapter, and it is not very difficult. You can say it has many functions to learn, but that is not very difficult. All the functions are self-explanatory and can be easily used. You can say that if up to half yearly we will be having these three chapters, and for MCT you can say 3, we will be having this chapter, database concept, and the structure query language, that is of 20 marks. So by the December we are going to cover this. And this emerging trend is only of 5 marks, and required period are 7, so only 1 week's time is there. So in the winter classes we are going to complete this. So this is a division of your syllabus. since we are going to focus on unit 2 first, so we will be learning basics of Python programming. We will be learning basics of Python programming. What is Python interpreter, what is interactive mode and script mode, how to install them, how to use indentation, identifiers, keywords, etc. in greater detail in coming sessions. But before we start what actually programming is in Python and how to install Python interpreter in your machine, we are going to see what actually programming is using Blockly. Using Blockly, it is a programming used to give instruction in the form of colored blocks. So let us see how to do it. So I'm going to switch over to my browser, code.org/join JZZYRJ. So this is a code which will prompt you to create an account. I have also shared this URL to your WhatsApp group. Now you can write a name, let's say Amit Singh. Email can be, let's say yahoo.com, and the password will be, let's say it should be 1259 RA small a @ okay. I'm going to type it again, 1259 R capital A small a and @ okay. So now you have to choose a very difficult password so that no one can know it. This is the first rule of keeping password, or cyber rule, you can say that. And then I'm going to put the age, it is, let's say 15, and the gender is, let's say, male. Okay, now I'm going to register it. Okay, I'm going to save it in the browser, but do not save it on a public computers like cyber cafe. And if you have a personal computer which you are alone using, then you can use this option. Okay, so basically this is the course A 2019. I have chosen this. I'm also trying it for the first time. This especially I have used this website, but I'm using this course A for the first time. Okay, learn the basic. Now what you are going to do is, here is your console, and then you have to click on try now. What you need to do is, you need to watch a video. Okay, I'm going to play it.
My name is Jeremiah. Hi. And I love my mom's computer.
Okay, you go ahead and watch this video.
Go on the internet.
I'm going to click continue. Okay, now go to the lesson 2. You just click on this, and you will be prompted to this, and click on OK block. Okay, I'm going to click on OK, and this is your work. Say click a block. Okay, congratulations, your complete puzzle is 0. Okay, now what you need to do is drag a block to the target. Okay, now what you need to do it, drag it to the target. Okay, done. Then continue. Okay, now arrange the block to form the image. Okay, then continue, then again continue. So you have to follow these instructions, and this meter will fill up slowly. And here you have to arrange a block so that you can make a fish. Okay, now I have to do it again to make a puppy. Let's do it, and this is done. The basic idea of doing this is, it will teach you how to arrange the blocks. So in this lesson we are seeing how to arrange the blocks, right? This is just a practice. This is not a actual programming. This is teaching you how this platform should be working. Must be handled, you can say that. And I'm going to arrange it and clicking it. Okay, so next, and then we are going to use this. Okay, now what you can do, I'm going to keep it here, and I will be arranging this like this. Okay, like this. and then this. Okay, now 1 2 and 3. Now continue. Now again I'm going to stick it to 1 2 and 3, and I can pick all these and place it here. Okay, like this. Now finally I have completed this lesson 2, and now let's move to lesson number 3. Okay, watch this video till the end. This is of only 49 seconds. You can bear to do it. You can click next, you can go through the video, and then let's start the lesson number 4. Okay, now let's click on this. You can go through this. I'm going to click on continue. Today. Okay, so we are going to learn Blockly. So here you can see in this screen, it is instruction to get a card to the acron. Snap E block to the bottom of the when run button, block, then press run. Okay, so what you need to do is we need to stick it to when run. Okay, now it is sticked. Now you have to click on run. Okay, now what you will do, now Scarlet will move us one step ahead and challenge will be completed. Okay, now you have to click on continue. Now similarly, next we have to take a one step and another step, and this will complete our target. So what we are doing is we are giving them instruction, move one step ahead and one more step ahead. So we have to take 2 continuous steps in a straight line, and then if I instruct this, see, it is real simple. Now why I'm teaching you this, because it will give you an insight how to give instruction to a computer. We have to give a very small instruction to a computer, and we are giving it to our cartoon character. Okay, so now what we need to do is we have to take one step and then another step, and then we have to move to the north direction. Okay, and then we have to take one step ahead. Okay, so 2 steps towards the east, and then 1 step toward the north, and then 1 step toward the east. Okay, or forward, you can say that. Now let us execute this program. Okay, see, this is really simple. Let us see what to do now. I have to take one step. Okay, I have taken one step, and then I have to move east. Okay, or turn to east, and then I have to take a step, and then I have to take another step. Okay, to delete this, you can use it. Now let us try this once. Okay, so let us run, and it turned, and I have reached. Okay, I'm going to try it again and to show you how this is working. So actually we are working with the variable functions. Okay, so these are the instructions we are passing to this character. Similarly, we have to pass instruction in a programming language to a computer. It is almost similar to programming. Okay, so your task is to complete all the exercises for the lesson 4. Right? That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the session, and happy learning to you. Hope you will complete this task, and if you have any queries, you can always write comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.